Circuit setting of each part of nickel or ball press. In the installation of nickel or ball press, need to pay attention to the circuit problem. Each part of the circuit needs to be carefully set so that in the middle of the use of circuit short circuit or wrong connection cannot operate normally. Light delay work efficiency, heavy, there will be a major accident. Be careful, and training the staff in skills to be very familiar with the operation process of nickel or ball press, otherwise in use when the operation error will cause shutdown and crash phenomenon. It is not good. As long as the use of attention before and after the nickel powder ball press related matters, the use of personnel after training, basically there will be no big problems. Small problems are often checked, solved at any time, can ensure the stable production of nickel powder ball press efficiency.